In this video, we are looking at BQEYZ Cloud, their latest IEM and one of the latest IEMs with passive drivers. It's been raining passive driver IEMs for a while. A lot of brands have ousted IEMs with passive drivers, and this is priced at I think 170 or $80. We are looking at the BQEYZ Cloud. I have reviewed a handful of IEMs from BQEYZ, but didn't manage to work with them for their wind or one of their IEMs. I'm not exactly sure about the name, but I did miss out on a couple of their IEMs. But yeah, the cloud is here with me. If we look at the specification, it's slightly difficult. I believe we are getting a 10 mm dynamic driver, 32 ohm. Sensitivity is good at 110 dB. And if we look at the set of accessories, one set, cable, carry case, brush, silicone ear tip 6 pairs, and tip holder, memory foam 1 pair. So we are getting a generous set of accessories in this box, and you guys can see this is not a unnecessarily large box or anything. So yeah, that is a good thing. I do not like exuberantly large boxes. So yeah, very small. You guys can see this is not big at all. If we will look into it, it's less than an inch. I'll have to say less than an inch, definitely less than an inch, and not long, very lightweight too. Even though this housing is made out of metal, this is fairly lightweight, very lightweight. And this color, this kind color, looks nice. I will set this aside and we will look into the cable and the tips too. Decent decent carry case, I do not mind. This is supposed to be slightly on the forward side. Decent cable, we will look into the cable again. One pair of tip has fallen off. I am going to use the atmosphere tips with this because this is supposed to be slightly on the brighter side, or maybe the white bore. Even white bore is supposed to be the reference type, so yeah, maybe the white bore, we will see. I like this kind of tip organizer. The metal ones are more classy, to be precise. Let's have a look at the foam tips. These are of the small size. I do not like small in any case. If we look at the cable, this is very similar to what we see with most of the brands. Thai Audio do have a cable like this, and this is a decent cable. I think they sell this kind of cable at around 40-50 dollars, so this is supposed to be a decent one. No issues there. This is kind of unnecessary negative space, I'll say. There is barely anything to give here. They could have easily reduced the size. There is nothing in this box. You guys can see just a piece of paper and a QC card, and that is it. There was no need for this, no need at all, especially when the cleaning tool too is placed in the box. There is no need for that. In any case, this is it. This is the unboxing of BQEYZ Cloud. This one uses a 10 mm dynamic driver, and we get a 6 mm passive driver. So this is supposed to enhance the sound of the cloud, and I will compare it with a handful of IEMs. MP145, I have the LED Shore S082, and we will see how this perform against those IEMs. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.